Welcome back, guys, to JCN Trading Channel. Guys, this video, I'm going to make it special for you guys. I'm going to be releasing the indicator settings today. As you already can see, I'm just going to jump right into things. I'm using the Awesome Oscillator, using the default settings, 534. The way you get to your Awesome Oscillator, go to the indicators. It's right here. Click on Awesome Oscillator. I got two of them set up. As you guys can see, that's the default setting, so I'm going to get rid of one. Same thing, parabolics. Go there, click on your parabolics. I'm actually using 0.015 and 0.15 for my indicator settings, and I got them turquoise. Moving average, this is the important part. This is the fun part. I got a moving average at a 50 SMA. That's my purple line. And I also have a moving average at 10 SMA. That is my gold line. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm using this strategy. Before we continue, last four trades, you guys can see one. I'm explaining a little bit what I'm doing. Now, this is the important thing. We're going to start with the Awesome Oscillator. Guys, if you pay attention, if the bars are under the Awesome Oscillator like so right now, that means that it is a sell market, or short trade, lower trade is going down. It's bearish, right? If the bars are under. If the bars are above the line, the zero line, that means it is a bullish market. It's a higher market, a long trade, green, whatever you want to call it, guys. So now I'm going to explain to you guys what I'm doing. So if I see the market as so, the bars are under the zero line, the higher the bar is, the stronger the sell is. The lower the bar is, the higher the sell. But what I'm doing is I'm actually looking at my little dot, my little line chart, and I'm actually waiting for a specific move. So I'm waiting for this dot right here to drop below the yellow line and the purple line, or in this situation right now, the price has reversed into a buyer's market. As long as my line stay above my yellow line and my purple line and a fresh parabolic show up, I got into that one a little too late. I'm going to enter for a buy. But if my line drops below the yellow and the purple and my bars are underneath, then I'm looking for a sell. And I'm looking for little indications like this, the green lines to increase on top of the zero line, or even though these red lines are showing up right here and the market is dropping and my dot is below my yellow line, I'm still not going to enter for a sell because the bars are still on top here. So I'm just looking for the next opportunity for pretty much a fresh pair of parabolics to show up on the buy line. So this is going to go down, Then once it comes back up, unless this reverses, I'm not going to enter for a sell. So the instant it's back up, I could have entered for a buy right there. I missed my opportunity, but that's okay. But we're going to switch it up, go to a different pair. All right. So here's a perfect example. It looks like to enter for a buy, and boom, enter for a buy. That was pretty close, but as you guys can see, when I entered, my dot was above my yellow and my purple SMA lines, and the price was above the zero line, and a fresh parabolic showed up. I entered, right? That could have been a decent entry for a buy right there. Move was too quick. The cross is another to look for, another indication to look for to enter for a buy or a sell. But as you guys can see, so right now, the dot is below the yellow and the purple line. So once this goes up and the bars are underneath, this is going to go up a little bit. Once the new set of parabolics form on the top, I'm going to enter for a sell as long as my lines are still below. And let's see what happens. As you guys can see, here we go. Once again. So that's the formula, the strategy that I'm using right now. I released the settings. Guys, awesome oscillator, regular settings. Parabolics, you can do it on the regular settings. You can do it on the 0.015, 0.515 settings. So parabolic settings, here you go. Save, moving average. I'm using a 50 SMA. That's the purple line. And I'm using a 10 SMA. That's the golden line. And so, once again, guys, pay close attention. Bars above both. Now, the dot, I need to name this dot, the little blue dot. All right, we're going to come up with a name with that, our little blue friend. So, pay attention. It dropped below. It crossed. That was a great point for an entry. But once it comes back up here a little bit and it drops back down, that's a sell right there. Could have got in for a sell. Let's switch it up, guys. Let's be a little greedy on the next couple of trades. Let's see what we can do. All right, we're in the buy market right now. Fresh parabolics right there. Let's see, could have been too early, but guys, it's golden. We got in, we got in, we got in. And it's just like that. I just came up with this method earlier today. I've been switching it up. Right now, this seems to be working perfectly fine. You guys can go back to my previous videos where I told you guys, give me some time to work on my settings, work on me perfecting my craft so I can start using it on a real account. You guys got to be patient with me. But yeah, so study this video. Make sure your dot is either above or below both SMA moving averages, and then confirm if your bars are on top for a buy market or if your bars are below. You can get in at the cross, but you can also wait. Here's a cross for a buy. It's below both. Let's see what happens. And there that was close. That was close. Let's look at that trade. I feel like we should have won that one. But as you guys can see, we were just off that tad bit. Got in at the cross. So, practice, practice, practice. Okay? Actually, because I lost, I want to get another win. And the video on a positive note. Here's another cross opportunity. And let's see what happens here. That's another cross opportunity. It wasn't a fresh parabolics though, but sometimes you can get it on that cross without that fresh parabolics. Guys, you got to enter the charts. You have to watch the charts. You have to practice, right? Here's another opportunity for a cross for a sell. Below both, is it? Nope, it reversed. Let's see. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. It might go back up. Still in the buy market. It went back up. Could have entered for a quick little buy there. So you have to study the market, pay attention to what happens, grab these settings, and let me see. I got in at that cross there. Guys, let's see. Last opportunity. So once again, I don't know if the cross not working or whatever. I'm not getting in on the crosses. I'm going to go double up on my next trade to show you guys the most efficient way. So let's go to, we're going to scroll. Matter of fact, we're going to go to stocks. We're going to try American Express. Let's go to American Express and see what happens. This is moving. I don't like the way this is moving. Boeing. Let's try Boeing. Really don't like the way this is moving either. But let me see if I can get in for a couple of trades here. And this is just moving up. This could be buys all day. This could be buys all day. So we're going to wait. We're going to wait for it to go back up again, or come down and go back up again. Okay, it's down below both. We enter for 2 sales right there, 2 sales right there. And we got, I think we broke even on one, and we got one. All right, so practice, practice, practice. Let me see if I can get this account to 30,000 before we end the video. I'm gonna do like 3 trades, be a little greedy on the next one. This is a sell market. It's underneath, so I'm looking for a sell. Looking for a sell. It's below all 3 lines. 5 seconds. Guys, I just wanted to get the account to 30,000. Look what I did. Got the account to 30,000 just like so. These are the settings. I'm Jungle Child Ned. Please like. Matter of fact, can I get 20 likes on this video for this brand new strategy that's just been discovered? Because I'm the leader of this right now. And you guys can't do nothing but support me. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You can hop in anytime you want to win trades. Look, put your lines on. Make sure your dots are above or below both dots. Look at the market. Whether it's down below, enter for your trades, man. I'm Jungle Child Ned.